Welcome back to my AWS GenAI certification series. So if you missed part one, I showed you how I planned my 2 week study strategy and build a solid foundation week one. So in part two, I'm revealing how week two transformed me from a GenAI beginner to exam ready. So we are going to talk about um, the AWS Skill Builder intensive 35 plus hour learning plan and my systematic approach to 375 practice questions and the steady notes that made all the difference and how I went from 60 percentage to 90 percentage on our practice exams. So if you're getting value from this series, smash that subscribe button and let's dive into the intensive learning phase. So why official AWS resources matters, right? Like after completing my Udemy course, I transitioned to official AWS resources. And do you know why this was crucial? Because this will have latest updates directly from AWS product team, and it have hands-on lab in real AWS environment, and then exam aligned content structure, right? So I dove into the AWS Generative AI Developer Advanced Learning Plan, which have 35 plus hours of comprehensive content across 22 courses. So I'm not going to explain each courses. So here you can see these are all the different courses are available. So each have more than 1 hour, and those are all very much an important one, which focuses the key services, right? Kind of, for example, if you see AWS Generative AI Developer design and implement vector store solution. So here the main focus is vector database system for generative AI and semantic search architecture. So these are the key skills are being covered in each courses. So each courses have their the focus areas are being covered. So, and then here is my exact week two breakdown, right? So have spent daily, right, to understand the requirement analysis and model selection. And then in the upcoming days, I have went through vector stores, RAG system, prompt engineering, and then in the upcoming days, agentic AI, security and governance, and followed by that, performance optimization and troubleshooting. And after that, I went to the exam readiness, right? Like I use the official AWS exam prep plan, which is around 14 plus hours of focus preparation, which includes domain specific reviews, right? Basically, what I mean is, so if you see here, this is the prep plan, which includes domain specific review for each of the five exam areas and practice question with detailed explanations. And you do have AWS Simulation, where you can kind of a gaming based one, where they give a scenario and we need to perform the particular solution and official pretest to gauge the readiness, right? The simulation scenario was really amazing, and where AI powered real world situation where I actually built solution in the AWS console. And then, right, like after performing my practice exams in AWS Skill Builder, I've also used additional practice questions from Udemy as well, right, which have almost 275 practice questions. And then, so I have went through all those questions as well. So the key was reviewing every single answer, correct and incorrect, right? So understanding why wrong answers, right? That is very much crucial. And I noticed the patterns in question, and and after completing the my mock exams, right, basically, and another Udemy course also I have followed, which I have almost 100 questions, so I have went through those as well. So here you can see each domain, what are the core topics, right? You need to focus on, and what are the key AWS services that you need to have some more knowledge on it, right? And then here also I have attached my handwritten notes, so kindly you can make use of it. Now, in the week one, right, the I have some basic understanding of generic concepts and theoretical knowledge only, right? So, but in week two, I have gained some more. I have done some more practice exams and hands-on experience that makes me more confident and exam ready. Basically, this was not just a knowledge accumulation, right? So basically, I can able to understand how I transform from beginner to a practitioner level, where I can able to deploy some GenAI solutions. So in week two, I have completed this 35 plus hours of official trainings, and then I have gained more percentage in 30 exams, right, consistently. And then I have also have my study notes covering all the domains and developed exam taking strategies. So, and then I was more confident on and I was ready. So in the upcoming series, I'm going to go into the part three where I will reveal my exact exam day experience and time management strategy and the question types I encountered without violating NDA, right? And how I achieved the early adopter badge and what are the career impact, right? Like once you get this particular certification. So make sure you are subscribed with notification on part three, so you won't miss the conclusion of this particular journey. So maybe in your comment you can mention how you are preparing for the certification and what is your biggest challenge with practical exams and which AWS GenAI service interests you most. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the final part three.